How cool is that? I think it's kind of a fruit or flower. I'm not 100% sure. I need to ask. On top of infrastructure, luxurious, gorgeous nature. Like for real, guys, this is beautiful. And it's like this everywhere, guys. It is just too pretty. The weather is perfect. Even with the rain today, the sun came for us. It is gorgeous. Smells good, smells nature. It's amazing. And here is Congo Trail. It's like more like of a dirty road, and I'm glad that I have a 4x4. It's a lake, guys, and we did it. 4x4. Woo, child! Yeah, I did it. Real driver, man. Real driver. That's how it's done, man. That's how it's done, and I don't like it. Let's see if they're right. There we go. Yep, we did it. Yep. Great, Rav4. Yeah! Well done, guys. Man, that's crazy. Man, that's amazing. Wow, another one? Man, that's insane. I never saw that. Let me check the GPS again. I'm assuming that I can do it. Let's see. I can see the bottom. We'll be fine. Yeah, easy, easy peasy. Yeah, child! Adventure in Costa Rica. How cool is this, guys? It's really deep, like going down like aggressively in like corners, and it seems that it's not only like going deep, but also we're gonna get back kind of at night, so I need to go a little bit faster to avoid that, because at night crossing the river without knowing the flow, if it will be like a high tide, it's not a good idea, you know what I mean? Definitely not a good idea. So we did all that adventure to arrive here. It's called Perlas. That means pearls, like Pearl Jam, the band, right? Pearls. And it seems to be like a little town, but with more infrastructure too. And you need to go through all this beautiful vegetation and forest and all those rivers and stuff. So really cool. Also seems safe. Look at that. People walking, relax with their dogs. Amazing. That's really cool. Costa Rica has a really gorgeous paradise vibe, and they are blessed with this forest and all this nature that they have around them. It's crazy beautiful.